Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best Webtoon promo codes in November, guys. There's a lot of good codes I'm going to show you. Now, if you want to reach the codes first, you want to just get updated codes. Maybe you're watching this later on. Just come and search, Webtoon promo codes, and then 2024, something like that. And then what you want to see is the latest, okay, the websites with the latest dates, like 5th August. This one's actually a good website too. You should open this in a new tab. You want to go through them. So basically, look here, guys. These are the available codes that are working right now. Usually you have Angelicious, 50% discount. This one gives you $8 discount. This is some alphanumeric text. You can get this as well, 20% discount. Author Talk, happy 2 years, 2-year anniversary discount. And we have many such good discounts, guys. And remember, guys, all codes can only be used once and you cannot use them again. Okay? And then this website also has codes, and they also have, you can actually see which codes are expired. And if you don't know how to redeem them, guys, you just go to the Webtoon app and just go to the More tab. So you just want to click on the shop coin shop icon, and then you just want to click on the. So after you click on buy button, guys, what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see the promotion code right here. Click on this, and then you just want to copy a code and just paste it in the text box and just click apply, and the rewards will be automatically credited to your account, guys. It's literally that easy and simple. So if this video, make sure to hit that like button, guys. As always, guys, subscribe to the channel so I can